Hello, my name is Flor Jimena. I am 20 years old. I am from Peru. I am a student at University Continental. I study law. I am responsible, creative, and friendly person. My family is very important to me. My mother is kind and patient, and my father is hardworking. They always supports me. I can paint and draw very well. I can create beautiful and colorful drawing. I can also work in my team and solve problems. I am organized and creative. My friend valued my work and something they ask me for help. I help they words they need it. Every day I work up at 7 in the morning. I usually have working at 7 a.m. Then I go to work. I start work at 9 a.m. After that, I go to restaurant near my workplace for lunch. After lunch, I go back to work. In the evening, I sometimes watch TV, listen to music, or or, or read a book. I like painting. I love listening to music because they are relaxing activities. I don't like sweets for food or desserts. I prefer speed food. I love spending time with my family. I live in a small, comfortable apartment. There is living room next to the king. There are two Brandon and Anne Broughton in my bedroom. There is bed next the window and next in the front of the bed. There is some book in the desk and a computer on it. My home is clean and beautiful. There is park near my house. Last year I was on vacation with my family. We traveled to Bolivia to visit La Paz. It was a wonderful experience. The city was big and beautiful. We visit music, mus, music, museum, museums, worked in the city center, and water tradition dance. I had delicious food and I took my photos and bought some souvenirs for my best friend. The trip was exciting and unforgettable. In the future, I want to open my last law career to practice as a lovers. I would like to travel to different continents and learn about new cultures. I also want to improve my English and develop my professional skill.